Welcome back to POL, and of course we're in the middle of a upland game bird hunt. Matt Shadduck, the owner of Shadduck Valley Game Birds, invited us up. Ricky Davis is handling the dogs. Tom Champy and I are doing the hunting. Let's go back to the field and go after some pheasants.
Get him up. Get him up, Ron. Find him. Find him, Rock. Find him, Rock.
There he goes.
Wait. I told you he was running.
He went out pretty far. This land has been in your family for a while. Tell me the history.
So I'm the fifth generation. It was sometime in the 1840s when my family came up here and settled and bought this, and here I am.
Is it a working farm as well?
It is a working farm. I rent the ground out, all the corn, it's all leased out. And then once the corn's harvested, that'll open up more hunting availabilities. There goes one. He's hit. Get him, boys. Where'd he go, Matt? Come on, boys. I think they're on point down there. Yeah, he's dead now. In the water.
Is that Matt?
Good
Nice job, Matt.
Ronnie, here. Rock.
Matt planted sorghum in rows. Sorghum not only provides cover for the pheasants, it also is a food source, and it could stand up to the Pennsylvania winters.
There he goes. Nice. He was after one.
What, are we going to shoot together the whole day?
That's why he wouldn't come over there. He was on that bird.
So tell me why German short-haired pointers?
Well, I watched one of your shows about Mike Wagner, WCW, and seen how good his dogs were, and I wanted to get one. I had Brittany's, well, I had Springers and Brittany's, and I wanted a pointer though, and so watching that show got me interested, and Mike Wagner trained them, and he's one of the best, you know.
Come on. You hit it. Dog will get it. Nice shoot.
Thanks.
You guys are good shots today. The other day, man, my guy shot 3 out of 20.
Oh, yeah. Nice job, buddy.
Good job, good job.
Your fields are gorgeous. The birds are flying, running a little bit, but
yeah, you'll have that.
Nice job. I'm really enjoying this hunt here today.
Whoa, whoa. You got a point right here.
Yeah.
You guys want to move up. Move up quick. I'll let you guys kick it out if you want. Whoa! Go right in front of the dogs. He might be running in there, so. There he goes. Man, these guys are on fire. That's what I like to see shooting. I told you they're on point. Fetch him up, Brownie.
Brother.
Brownie got him. Come on, Brown. Good boy. That's why you need a dog.
That's why you need dogs, is right.
That's why I love hunting with dogs. You're a nice hen. You're gonna have a good supper tonight, Don.
How about it? Thank you.
Good job, boys. Over here, bud. In here. Come on. In here. Come on. Get in here. Atta boy. Get in there. Find that bird.
Goes.
That big gun got it.
I have to clean up on you guys. Yeah, I know.
I went down.
I let it get out there.
Now we gotta find it. Come on, he's in here. Good boy. Brownie found him. I almost stepped on it. Good shoot, Matt.
Oh, that's it.
Oh, you got it? That sounded like the big gun.
Your head was too high.
All right,
I know,
that's
I got
getting
down
a little
after.
heavy now.
Don's on fire today. We got that rooster in the middle down here,
Yeah.
too. Should we hunt this back, or we
We'll
should go
hunt
after
this
that
side
one
back.
there, though?
Yep.
So if somebody wants to get more information or book a hunt with you, what's the best way to do that?
Best way would be you could either call me on my phone, 570-499-8248, or you can look me up on Facebook, Shadduck Valley Game Birds, or Google.
And you have openings available?
I have openings available.
And you hunt until when?
April 20th is the cutoff date. So once we get out of deer season, lots of time to play.
Brownie's on him. He's on one right now. Move up. Come on, Rock. No, he's over here now. There might be a point right here. Get ready. Got a point right here. Whoa. Rock, come. There he goes. Got him. In the creek again. Dead bird, come on. Dead bird. Get that bird.
I wasn't looking in the right direction, obviously.
Come on,
I'm
get
watching
that bird.
fall.
Get the bird, Rock. Come on. Get down here. Get the bird. Get the bird. Atta boy. Get him. Get him. Get him, Rock. Pick him up. Bring him here. Good boy. Good boy. Bring him here, buddy. Good boy. Come here. Good boy. Bring him over to Matt. Come on. Bring him over. Good boy. Bring him to Matt. That's a good boy. Good job, Brownie. Rocky actually pointed him. Good job.
So there you had it. We had a blast. Matt, thank you so much for inviting us up. You'll see us up there after the winter, like you said, when it maybe gets beaten up a little bit. The dogs will do a different kind of hunt for us. Again, thank you, Matt, for the invite. We're going to take a short break and we'll be right back.